All right, so this is what we do in the morning after we took our Durag off. We got rid of our lines. This is what we do. Curling cream.
Oh no.
Get that all up in there. Put it in the back. And apparently I put too much on my fingers. Turn. No, I didn't. I just missed half your hair. How about that? All right, so we got some product in there. Then we're going to brush. We use this brush first. Why? Is that what you just said?
I said, oh my.
Oh.
Our brush is hard.
Exactly. Makes your hair move. It's hard. And I'll be scratching your face off. I'm gonna act like you got hair there. Just so I can oh.
Hair is so rough.
I don't know what happened to it. We have been slacking on brushing because I've been letting him brush himself, and he doesn't like brushing that long. He brushes for like 5 minutes, and then he be like, what happened to my hair? It don't do nothing. We know it don't do anything for 5 minutes of brushing. That's not how it works, is it? So we're kind of starting all over again. That's the way it feels to me anyway. Might not feel that way to him. So this is our brushing method in the morning. Starting now. Oh my goodness. Do you see the stuff that jumps out of his head though? Like why? Why doesn't he want to brush his hair? Why? Your hair is saying why. Your face is saying why. Your face is like, please listen to her. Please. She's so rough. You know she's rough. Like, why you not listening to her? That's what it's saying. Why are you not listening to her? You know she's rough. She's heavy-handed with the brush. She could take someone out with that brush. Like, it just... If you didn't think you wanted to lay down, she gonna make you lay down with the brush. Lay the weights down. Even if they ain't even there, she's gonna lay the weights down.
Oh my goodness.
No, I'm joking. I'm joking. I'm joking. Okay. Next.
Mary's.
What is it called?
Mary's.
The camera make your hair look big, don't it? I'm like, because the can look humongous in the camera. Look at it. Ooh. Woo. Like, what? Camera line of people. His head is not that big. And we're not even that close to it. Like, I don't even understand what is happening right now. I don't even have it on Zoom. Yes, I am putting so much in there to try to force the power in the waves. The waves come back to us. We were about to start swimming in the waves, and now somebody wanted to go to sleep on them. Wanted to go sleep on the waves. Didn't want to brush your waves. Let me just sleep on it. It's gonna be like that tomorrow. No, it is not going to be like that tomorrow, unless you assist it to be like that tomorrow. You wasn't trying to help it. He wasn't trying to help it. He wanted it to just, oh yes, it'll be like that tomorrow. I like it. It's gonna be like that tomorrow. No, it's not. Don't work like that. Nothing works like that. Please tell him. Somebody tell him. Like you was almost there, and now you want to slack. I guess that's how that works, isn't it? You're like, it's there, okay. I got it. I don't need no help no more. Yeah. Then you start falling off. And you be like, what happened? You wasn't almost there. Without just doing anything. You have to do the work. The work. The work. Right?
Mm-hmm.
Man, I felt like that kids like not working with. Look at that, look at that, look at that, look at that. All right, so we're gonna be brushing. We're gonna change it to time-lapse, and we're gonna brush. Oh, I got this stuff all over your shirt. Sorry, we'll fix that soon. So we're gonna be on time-lapse, and we're gonna continue brushing for about 10 minutes. And let me change that now. These are our results here. You can see, hold your head. So it did lay down. You can tell where it laid down right there. We still gotta put some more work in, but you can tell like it laid down. We don't have no line going across because we was brushing correctly. Yes. Yes. Lay down.